Lesson 1: Creating the perfect mock-up design. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to make your designs for your face cap, your t-shirts, and your tote bags using the free graphic design app, Canva. So please go ahead to open Canva on your mobile phones and making sure you have stable internet connection and let it load properly. Now you can see on the screen that Canva gives us a lot of templates to work with, templates for cards, templates for book covers, templates for Instagram DPs, templates for everything. Basically, Canva is a life-saving app, especially for entrepreneurs. So second thing you do is to set your keyword. I want to make a design for a t-shirt, and Canva actually gives templates like that. So I'm going to go ahead to impute. So please go ahead to impute your keyword, which is t-shirt brand or t-shirt typography. And now on the screen, we can see what Canva has brought. So there are a plethora of templates, there are a plethora of designs that you can edit to fit what you want. Using your eye for design or using a meticulous eye, you can edit the templates that Canva has given you to produce your preferred design. Some of the templates are not free, and while some are, so you can access them. If you want the one that is paid for, go ahead to pay for it. If you want the one that is free, please go ahead to click it and edit it. Keep searching. Right now I didn't find what I wanted, so as if you do not find what you want, you can go ahead to narrow down your search to your preference. So clicking the options above where you see subject, topic, and other things, begin to click it so that you're able to find something that fits the image in your head. And that's what I did right here. The options that I got were not something that I liked. It didn't match what was in my mind's eye. So what I wanted was a typography meaning a design with words, a design with letters. That's what I wanted, something minimalist, something that I could just edit to fit my design. Another thing that you can actually do is that you can design what you want from scratch. You actually can. But for me, I'm not exactly a graphic designer. So, and if you're not a graphic designer, you don't exactly have the time to spend on making a design from scratch. You can simply go on Canvas, search for a very good template, and edit that template to fit your preference. And this is me still searching, checking for clothing, something that speaks pop culture. If you want it to be more minimalist, you want it to be creative, you want it to be an illustration, whatever you want it to be, you can just narrow down your search till you find what you're looking for. And if you do not find what you're looking for, then you can go back and impute another keyword to fit what you are looking for. Yes. And that's what I did here. I went back and changed my keyword to t-shirt typography instead of just t-shirt. And finally, I could see what I was looking for. Sometimes you have to try other keywords, like I said earlier, till you get what you're looking for. And finally, I can see typography designs, that is letter graphics. So I began to search for a preferred template, what I want, what I would prefer. Like I said, I want something minimalist. I don't want something that is too loud or is too in your face. And of course, you keep searching till you get what you want. Yeah, finally, I see something that works with what is my head, and then I go ahead to start editing it. And what I want to impute is the fashion king. So I begin to select each part and I begin to edit um, to my preference. And that's what you do. What is the design? What is that thing you want to have? If it's a letter graphics, what is the word or what are the words you want to have on the shirt or on the tote bag or the face caps or mugs or whatever. This particular skill is a total game changer because it's a branding skill that many people um, um, outsource to designers and spend a lot of money. And if you can learn to do this, you can not only conserve money for your business, but you can also make money because it's a skill that you have and many people do not have. So you can use it. Okay, you can tell people that you can make their designs for them and you at a particular cost and you're making extra money on the side. So I went ahead, deleted what I didn't want, um, began to put the orientation of my designs till it was something that worked well with what I wanted. After trials, this is the orientation of the design that I settled for. And I wanted something extra. I felt it was too bland. So I thought if I'm talking about the Fashion King, then a royal element will be nice to add to it. So I went ahead to search under the elements section and I searched for crown as you can see on your screen. So the skill that you need right here is not even, it's your creativity. Don't be boxed. Try things. If you try something and it doesn't work, delete it and come back, try something else. So this is me searching for um the preferred crown elements that I would love to wear, searching through the options, and then I found one that I like and I selected it, and then I began to put it and arrange the orientation to fit the orientation that I have on the ground before. You can also change the background of your design if you don't want it to be black. But the truth is that the background is not needed because we are going to remove the background so that we can put it on our design, on our mock-ups later on. Now I've gotten my design. I love how it looks. I love how it sits. So I go ahead to, make sure it's centralized. Make sure your designs are always centralized. Remember, a keen eye for details is a game changer. Save your design and you are good to go. Yay! Well done. So I wanted my design in two variants, on a black background and on a white background. So I went back to edit the designs to fit the chosen background. This is me trying to simulate the design, how it will look if I put it on a black shirt and how it will look if I put it on a white shirt. So you can go ahead to change it to whatever color that you prefer and then save your design. Lastly, when you're saving your designs, please make sure that you save them in PNG format. This is very important for the next process. Please make sure that your designs are saved in PNG format. See you in the next class. Ciao.